Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Let me show you now. First, okay, we rebuild the Dodge Challenger, this one from that one. Now usually on your hood right here you're going to have a sticker. This one doesn't because it was from a donor vehicle, but on the hood this one has it still. I want to show you, this is the sticker for the refrigerant. Here it says R1234YF, capacity 709 grams, oil will need to be, okay, pack oil right there. It says if you have the 6.2 engine it will be 624 grams, but 709 grams. Now guys, okay, 709 grams. Now you're supposed to use that stuff, right? This is the original stuff. Now that's 226 gram can, so you're going to need at least three and a half of those close, guys. Can you use R134A? Now we have a video on our YouTube channel that will explain that. Check it out. We will be using it, but check the video, it will explain why, how, and when it's safe to use it. Now we will recommend to only use the original stuff, guys. The system's completely empty, so we need to get that adapter. That's from R1234YF to R134A. So the low pressure port, we need to locate it. Turn the engine off. It's right here. Okay, you can see right there. That's a high pressure port. That's a low pressure underneath. We're going to go ahead, okay, and install it now. Okay, super hard to reach, by the way. Let me just get my hand there because it's super hard to reach. Install it, and then we will explain what else we need to do. Perfect, it is there. Now, what else, guys? Okay, we need to do. We need to get a can and a recharging kit. Okay, right there. So we're going to get a can. Okay, right there. We're going to get our recharging kit, screw it on, and we're going to connect it now. Okay, connect it to the low pressure port there. So it's a little bit inconvenient. Do that on a cold engine because you can, okay, severely burn yourself. Let me take my watch off because I don't want to damage it there. Okay, and here I'll go in an angle and try, okay, to connect it, which is very inconvenient place, especially if you're using the connector. If you're using the original stuff, you have a little bit more room, but if you're not, okay, you're out of luck. Okay, so all you have to do, just connect it now. So guys, it's installed. Okay, the hose is right there. I want to show you now right here. Okay, you can see it's installed. So we're going to go ahead, okay, start the car. Make sure the garage is wide open, or do it outside. We always recommend to do it outside, otherwise you can get carbon monoxide poisoning. You can die, guys, if you start the car in your garage for extended period of time. Even for a period of time can be harmful. Go ahead, start the car. Now keep your hands off the engine, anything like that. You need to turn the air conditioner on. Set it, guys, on cold. Okay, make sure the fan is on as well. So let's see now. Okay, if it's going to go controls, climate control. Okay, perfect. AC is on. Okay, it's blowing. We have the fan on. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to come outside and don't put it upside down. That can, you need to hold it like this one and release the trigger. It will start taking it. You'll hear the compressor will engage too. Your compressor is right here. Okay, and you see the compressor, the clutch will kick in. Let's go ahead, keep emptying it. Okay, we'll just recommend to use the original stuff, guys. If you want to see the video, if you can use the R134A, it will be on our YouTube channel. Okay, keep doing that, keep doing that. Okay, it's gonna take quite a bit because the system is completely empty, guys. Okay, let's see how much pressure we have if you release the switch. We're getting in the green. Okay, we have some pressure. Okay, so let's keep emptying it. The compressor just kicked in, you hear a click, and right now, okay, I want to show you. Okay, come on, I'm trying to focus here, guys, for you, but it's spinning, so it's hard. Okay, but okay, what if you can? Yep, right there. You can see it's spinning. So it's taking it now. Okay, let's release the pressure. It's taking it. Is that can empty now? Almost. We need to empty this can, and then we're going to switch to the other one. Okay, guys, so once the can is practically empty, you need to turn the car off. Don't do anything with the car on. Okay, now these cans, they have a valve. If they're the one with a valve, you need to disconnect the hose when you change the can. This one, we can change it without, okay, disconnecting the hose, because the valve will automatically stops. Now, next, we need to add oil, guys. Okay, our system will need some oil as well because it was empty. So the same thing, we're going to go ahead, start the car, and once you start it, okay, you can start adding the oil. Sometimes you may, if it doesn't want to take any of the refrigerant or stuff, we may need to circulate the AC button on and off a couple of times for the compressor to kick in respectively, and it might, okay, take care of that. Now, other things, guys, okay, after that we'll need to add one more can. Next, go ahead, turn the car off. After you turn the car off, we're going to go ahead, okay, and the oil is empty, we're going to go ahead and add, okay, the second can. After the second can, okay, so far the AC feels extremely cold even on one can. Second one, same thing, connect it. Go ahead, guys, start the car, keep hands off belts, moving parts, engine, hot exhausts, anything like that. We're going to go ahead, start it, and make sure your AC button is still pressed. So let's go ahead. Okay, empty the second one now, and we can continue. So guys, okay, it's running. The second one is practically empty. Let's release the pressure. It's approaching a little bit in the yellow now. It should stay in the green, otherwise it may indicate that you maybe overfilled it a little bit. But if the car revs up, let's give it just a little bit of gas. You will see it will start dropping, guys. Okay, so just a little bit of gas, okay, because hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.